the car's supposed to go into this middle lane, but it didn't. Why the hell is there somebody walking here? This goes onto the highway. You're supposed to get on the outside if you're going somewhere else, not on the highway. So this has been a recurring issue. It follows other cars. I don't know if it's map data or what. It just doesn't know to go in there. But most of the time when I'm going home, I'm not supposed to go in there, and I'm supposed to take like the outside section of the road. So it does that fine. Version 12 used to do this really well, and then since version 13, it just doesn't seem to work. It's one of the only navigation issues that I've had so far, to be honest, with version 14. Otherwise, it's been really, really good in terms of navigating properly. So the car is trying to get into that parking lot. It could have parked behind. This parking lot is cordoned off. So it can't really park here. Me as a person, I can instantly tell that this whole section is cordoned off. We do have some parking over here though, so it should be able to park here, but these are much farther spots than it would have otherwise had if it had picked something closer over there and not trying to get to the exact pin location. But that is fine. So see, it's refusing to. All right, let's see what it does over here. Let's see if it goes in. Okay, so I probably look like an idiot right now, but this is for the sake of testing. Let's see what it does. All right, I'm gonna take over because there's somebody else waiting for us, and I'm just going to park. I'm just gonna have it park somewhere over here. Just gonna turn it on. I think it should park in one of these spots, hopefully. No, it doesn't really want to park in any of those spots. So this is an issue because it's trying to get to the exact pin. You can just park in any of these parking spots over here and you'll be fine because Costco is right over there. It should just park in one of these spots. Okay, so this is not a bad spot to pick. It's going to reverse in. That's not a bad spot to pick, but it should have been more intelligent about this. But it wasn't, and it's very close to these carts. But I think there's enough space for it to make it through here. Should be able to do it in another hole. Maybe it should have pulled forward.